How the heck are you? Joe Ford here, public adjuster in South Florida, and today we're going to discuss how to get more money from your claim. The money that you are owed. So you filed the claim, your insurance carrier gave you a check, but it's not enough. Don't worry, this happens to almost every single homeowner when they file a claim. It's not your fault. You paid your premiums every month and you did exactly what the insurance carrier told you to do, but like a bad neighbor, they weren't there for you. The check that you received is based upon their findings. And the lower the findings, the higher the profits. To get more money, you will need to convince the desk adjuster that they missed certain things or that the claim was adjusted improperly. How do you do this? Well, you should have a good understanding of how to read an estimate and how to adjust a claim. Most people would hire a public adjuster at this point. An estimate is a detailed report of all the items that need to be replaced or repaired by a contractor to bring your insurance claim loss to pre-loss conditions. So if you had a kitchen pipe burst, the estimate should include everything that is needed to bring your kitchen back to the pre-loss condition before the pipe burst. This includes fixing the cabinets, replacing cabinets if they're matching, the emergency mitigation services work that was done to dry out the cabinets and remove parts damaged by water or mold, as well as the cost to repair and replace any flooring that might be damaged. So everything that would need to be replaced or fixed would be in this estimate. It's very common for the estimate your public adjuster writes versus the estimate the insurance carrier prepared to be far off. I can think of many claims where the kitchen estimate would be $2,000 to $4,000 from the carrier, and my estimate is $25,000 to $30,000. And then we usually settle somewhere between $20,000 to $23,000. You may be wondering why these numbers vary. Well, if insurance carriers paid every contractor's estimate, it would be bad for profits. The biggest discrepancy comes when one of the cabinets is damaged. The carrier will sometimes try to tell you that you only need to replace a small part of the cabinet, such as remove this and patch that area, but now the whole cabinet is damaged, and you would just have a piece of plywood over that damaged area. That is not the correct way to fix it. If I just bought a home and I just spent good money on a brand new kitchen and one cabinet gets damaged from garbage disposal leak and they tell me just to fix that one cabinet and then I had a giant eyesore, that would be unacceptable in my lovely home. The correct way would be to remove and replace every cabinet because they're matching and they're all the same, and you can't just find the exact same replacement one. In addition, we have laws to protect you. The areas around the new cabinets would also need to be repainted, and the countertops would most likely be damaged in the process and may need to be replaced as well. This same process is the crux of every type of claim. This applies for roofs. This applies for flooring. If you let an insurance carrier put a different piece of floor and don't complain, they will. So this is why having an expert on your side can be crucial, not to mention taking away a lot of the stress. Another aspect is missed items that should have been added, such as contents, additional living expenses, debris removal, and lawn ordinance. I will cover these in detail in a later video. So that's it for this video. It was a quick one, and until next time, see you later, guys.